we have been seriously preparing a case of plunder against former Speaker Martin Romualdez and former Senate President Chis Escudero. Plunder rin ang aming hinahandang kaso para sa kanila.
On record, sir.
And as a conspiracy, with the element of conspiracy involved in the preparation of the complaint.
How soon po itong
Well, within the month of May. We're just tying up many things that have to be there for us to make a case out of it. Pero the Senate President, the former Senate President, and the former Speaker will be subjected to a case of plunder very soon. Flood control related in so many ways, yes. Sila yan. Pero marami pang iba kasi nga marami pang ibang mga miyembro ng dalawang bahay na maaaring tamaan din ng mga kaso ng plunder sa aming hinahanda ngayon.